Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are doing great. So I'm still at the farm today. If this is your first time coming to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I post videos on pigs, goats and cows on this channel. So if you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe. Don't watch this video and go like that. Make sure you subscribe. So on today's video, I'm going to talk about why your piglets die. Why your piglets die after weaning. So let me assume that you have weaned your pigs, but for some reason they keep on dying. That means there is something that is wrong. That means there is something that you didn't get right somewhere. That means there was a mistake that you made, and this is now why your piglets are dying. Now, the main reason why your piglets die is because of the measures you didn't take when they were still with the sow. The main reason why your winner piglets die is because you made a mistake when they were with their winner, when they were with their mother. That's the sow. So what are these mistakes, and how can you make sure that you do not repeat them again? So some of the reasons why your piglets die is because you wean them too early. Let me assume that your pigs did not grow well, because for me, in fact, it's not even for me. The maximum weight that a piglet has to reach before weaning should be at least 10 kg, 8 to 10 kg. In fact, I'll go for 10 kg alone. So if your piglet did not reach 10 kg in 6 weeks or 8 weeks, that means there was something that was wrong. So the best thing you can do right now is, so as to prevent future mortalities after you have weaned your piglets, is to make sure that they always reach a maximum of 10 kg in weight before you wean them. So that means you have to leave them for 6 to 8 weeks. Some people wean their piglets at early ages of 4 weeks. And at 4 weeks, sometimes these piglets, if not well fed, can be 5 kg, 6 kg. So how do you expect to wean these piglets at that age and still expect them to do well after weaning? No, they will have to have some issues. So the best you can do is to always allow your piglets to drink their mother's milk to the best they can drink, so they can be able to grow well, and so that when you wean them, you get good piglets, healthy piglets, not the ones that you wean and after some days they will start dying. Always make sure you allow your piglets to drink the breast milk of the mother to the fullest, so that they can be able to grow very well. Now the next reason why your piglets keep on dying after you have weaned them is because you didn't give them antibiotics to boost their immunity just before weaning. Before you wean your piglets, always make sure you give them antibiotics. There are so many antibiotics in the market. You can give them any good one. So as you know, once you wean them, you see, if the piglets are with their mother, they get a lot of antibodies from the mother's breast milk, and these are the things that keep them healthy, and these are the things that keep them growing very well. But once you take them away from the mother, they now lack these antibodies, because these antibodies are not present in the feed. So the best thing you can do for the piglets is that some days before you wean them, or while you wean them, you give them antibiotics, so as once you wean them from their mother, they will still be healthy, because those antibiotics will be keeping their immunity up very, very up, so they won't be easily affected by diseases and the rest. So always make sure you give your piglets antibiotics before you wean them or while weaning them, so as to prevent mortality here and there after you wean your pigs. So the next thing here is, you didn't give them nutritious food. So after you have weaned your pig, it's always advisable to give your piglets feed that is very, very rich. Some people will just be giving their piglets nonsense feed, and you expect them to grow very well. So you can give nonsense feed, because pigs eat virtually anything and everything. But there are levels to this thing. You can't be giving, at that young age, let me assume that your piglet is 2 months old, and you're giving it things that won't add anything much to his body. It won't grow well, and if it doesn't grow well, it will definitely die. So the best thing you can do for yourself is that once you wean your piglets, always give them feed that is very, very rich, feed that is very, very nutritious, so that they will be growing well. Because at that stage of their growth, they need a lot of rich feed, carbohydrate, protein, fiber, vitamins, and the rest, so that they will be doing very well. Because that is where, because it's at that age. For example, now a child that was giving birth to me, after you have stopped breastfeeding that child, you can't be giving it corn, you can't be giving it all this solid food. you have to give it all this, you know, 1 to 3 milk, all this feed, all this food that are very, very nutritious, that have high protein, that have high carbohydrates, that have high vitamin level. So the child will easily develop faster and grow better. So it's also the same in animals. You have to always give these animals good feed when they are at that very little age and at that early age, so they will be doing very well. And so that you can be able to boost their immunity, and they cannot be easily be infected by diseases, because it's also at that stage that diseases can easily affect them. Now the next thing you have to do is, now the next reason why your piglets died after weaning is because you are probably sick and you did not notice. You know, sometimes your pigs will be sick, sometimes they will be weak, sometimes they will not have the appetite to eat, sometimes they might not even be feeling, you know, sometimes they might have worms in them, sometimes they might have all these external parasites on them, sometimes they might have all these infestation or the other on them, sometimes they might have diarrhea and you won't even notice. So it's always advisable that before you, in fact, all your pigs in your farm, always keep close eye on them, always observe them very well every day, because the better you observe them, the easier you can detect when they are sick or not. And the faster you detect when they are sick, the faster you can be able to, you know, inject them, and that disease will end. But once you leave them, they will be growing with that disease, and once they keep on growing with that disease, they won't be growing very well, and that disease will keep on growing with them. So it's always advisable to always make sure that you keep close eye on your piglets, on your pigs, all the pigs in your farm. Always keep close eye on them, so that, you know, you can easily detect when they are sick and give them the proper medication, and so they will easily, you know, get off that disease and be growing very well. And if they grow very well, it's still to your own profit. So it's not my profit, it's your own profit if they grow well. So always make sure you check your pigs daily. Always make sure you keep close eye on them, so that you can be able to be, you know, so that they can be able to be growing well. And at the end of the day, you have good pigs in your farm. So if your piglets died after weaning, that means you must have, you know, been a victim of one of these 4 things I've mentioned, or you must have been a victim of all of them. So always make sure. Always make sure you allow your pigs to, you know, stay with their mother for at least 6 to 8 weeks. Always make sure you give them antibiotics to boost their immunity. Always make sure you feed them nutritious food, and always make sure that you keep close eye on them, so that whenever they are sick, you can be able to treat them, and your pigs will keep on growing very well. So that's on today's video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for being on this channel, and thank you, and peace.